Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading.system.com, making this video for Go. So let's get started. This is the chart. I'm going to show the monthly chart first, and this is I made the chart. This is my main chart, and that shows the bigger picture of what the heck is happening. So Elliott wave count is wave black count, wave 3, 4, and we are in wave 5. And this wave 5 started with the blue count 1, 2, 3, 4, and then extended wave 5. Extended wave 5 already has posted wave 1, 2, and 3, and we are in wave 4. Now, if you look at the weekly chart, this is how the weekly chart, current weekly chart here, right? This is like that small black count, wave 1, 2, and then wave 3 finished a little while ago, and then I made the chart showing that, let me show you. See, this is the one. See, I made the chart, this one on the 22nd April, that this is wave 3 finish at 3,500. We're going to fall into wave 4, right? So we did that, and we are now in wave 4. After finishing this, which will take quite a while, and then we will go up for wave this 5, 5, and this 5. This one, and this one, finally, right? So what's happening here? Right, so I made, when it dropped already, and then it went up, and then it came down, so I've made a 4-hour chart earlier, and let me show you that one. That one was like this. And so this is, I said, maybe if it is wave 4, this is different count, by the way. That's not the same count. So it's like 1, 2, and this is, it looks like ABC correction. So I said somewhere here is going to drop here, and somewhere here is going to bounce and then go back to this 33.74 area, 23%. This is 61%, right? So it started to bounce. It bounced a little bit and then came back to this yellow line again and then bounced from here. So when it was doing that, I made another chart, and that was like this, right? So it went up, and then it came back, and that 31.67, the 61%, it was. I said, well, now we're gonna bounce back up again if we hold above this, right? And this one is wrong. It was like a written here previously. I forgot to remove. This should be must stay above 31.67. Right. So, but yeah, this was right there, written there, and the 61, and then it'd be supposed to go back to 61 of this fib from there to there. So what happened to this current chart right now? I'll show you both of these 4-hour chart. So the first one, it came, it bounced from here, went up, came down to this yellow line, right? 31.68, 31.67, same thing. And then we start bouncing. Today we bounce from here to here, right? And the other chart I made, it looks like this now. So I made this, we're going to go back to 61%. So we went up and then came back down. This is again wave, small wave 1, 2. This could be like A, B, and C we are going for. And, or maybe if you count 1, 2, then we are going for 3 to the upside. And out of that, we have 1, 2, and 3 of 3 underway right now. So this could end 61% or maybe going to 78%. Now, another chart reflects that, and which is my 1,000 box size. I not only use that chart, but different analysis. That's my private analysis, and that chart is like this. Right, so this is the drop, this is the fib draw, and then this is A or 1 or A, 2 or B. And if you draw the fib, this fib retracement, 61% is here and 78% is here. Now, if this is wave 1 or 2, now this tool is fib expansion, right? So for the target. So if you see that, if this is wave 1, 2, we need 3, which will come to 161%. If it is A, B, that will go for wave C, which will be ending at 127%. Now, this 127% is coming very close, almost the same place as 61%. And if we go for wave 3, then this 161% calculation for wave 3 is coming exactly at 78% of the fib retracement. So this is where we are now, right? That's what we are doing today. Now, we start to bounce from here today, right? So I took this entry and then close here and then took another one from 500 box size, and then I took it all the way, and it's just still going right now because I know where the heck we are going, so I'm not closing it, right? This is the beauty about this system. This is what I teach in my one-on-one, by the way, that you should take the biggest trades ever And if you know the daily range and all of that, yeah, you can do that. Daily range of this pair usually is like 650, not pair. I'm sorry, it's gold, right? But today it's already has done maybe like over 800, 900, something like that. 644 is the daily range, and we have done currently it's a 911. That's what it says here on my indicator. Let me put it here, and then you see yourself. Um, you see that? It's funny, huh? Oh, it says current day range 910 on my other computer. That the other account there where I have my trades going on is 911. Right. So this is how much we already did. By the way, this is let me show you the other what the heck is that? Other trade, which is man, is this where? No, I think this is I have it here open or no? This one, yeah, this is the one you see that this is from the other computer, and this is my trade is still on buy orders right there, and then I sell move. So this is the second one, by the way. Let me show you those trades. The first one, excuse me, was this from 200 box size buy orders right there, and then beautiful entry, right? This was the entry as well, but I missed that one, so I took this one, and then 270 pip, then this is where I closed that just below the pivot, right? And then after that, it dropped to and gave me a 500 box size, beautiful long setup, and which I took that from here. You see this this is a 500 box size, and then again, this is a buy orders right there. This was the first trade, and then I closed this one here and then went up and then came back down. Look at the beautiful entry. So I put my EA robot there, and then as soon as it start to go, it opened the trade. See that small error? That's the EA taking the trade. That's why I recommend this EA so much, because that it's hands free. All you do is you gotta do is that use my analysis or your analysis that matter, and then just put the EA if in the expected direction, and then it takes the trade, even if you're not there, right? So and that takes out the emotion. Should I take it? Should I not? Should I take it? Should I? You put it there, you walk away, and it takes the trade. That's it. Finish. Finito. It takes the trade. It places the a stop loss right there, right? And I made it available on a monthly subscription. Very easy. Go on my website and get this, right? No big deal. Before it was like, 700, 800, you had to purchase that. But, right now it's very cheap on a monthly basis. You get that. And this is how you're going to get it. Oh, no, both of my trades are like that. This one is also taken by the EA. But, see this, I don't, right there, the arrow is missing, but, it was taken right there. See this EA right there? Sam's Oil and Gold. It's just a different name, but, it is there. So this one also taken by, and then so many other gold trades that I took while it was going to the upside. But this is only for today I'm showing, because otherwise the video is gonna get too long, right? So this is how it is, and let me show you the this 1,000 box size, right? If you draw the fib from here to here, right? What do we see? Basically, you see that. Let me show you. You see that? Now, this is what calculation is done. This is, you see my Elliott wave count and how I catch the big moves, right? Now, also the harmonic pattern, and then I have the course for that as well, and I always find this. Let me see. So this one is like 50%. It never touched the 61, so we're gonna take it as 50%. So 50, and then it came back down. So this could be like X. This is A. This is B at 50. Then C could be anywhere between this length, right? So this is C. Then from 50, it usually go back to 88%, which is coming right here, which is 127, and 161 is right, 61% is right there. So 88 is also coming there, and that will be finishing a bad pattern, which is look like this. You see that 50%? Then it comes down. C point is 23% line or a little lower, and 11.4 is in between somewhere, right? As long as it is between A and B, you can count that as C, and then it goes to 88%. Then this pattern is finished. So this is also I can see here that this is cooking here, and my Elliott wave count, perfect counts, and then a retracement and expansion, and all of that garbage is right there, right? So you put all these studies together, and then you pinpoint your entry using my entry system, where the heck this market is going to go. It will be staying always under your feet, right? So you want to be a master of this, sign on for one-on-one course, and I'll make you a master of this. All these, harmonic patterns, and even if they fail, what to do? Like for example, this one, it goes here, then it will dip a little bit, and then go up a little bit, and then you come down. That's fine. That's a regular reaction of this bad pattern. But sometimes they become failed patterns. They do not. For example, if this is wave 1 and 2, then this is wave 3, then what happened is that they come down for wave 4, 38%, and then boom, for wave 5. And then people are scratching heads, what the heck happened to this pattern? So, well, this pattern is not always a pattern. It is a pattern, but it's also a Elliott wave as well. So you got to put those studies together. And those are, by the way, I have, let me show you that on my website. You go there. If you don't want to do one-on-one, if you have language problem, a lot of people don't, speak English from European countries and, like Arab countries, India, Pakistan. So you can just simply take this course. Elliott courses right there. Very, very powerful courses that teaches you every single thing that I'm doing. I'm doing practically, and I'm showing you every step of the way that this is how I'm doing. I'm just, I don't have a crystal ball or something, right? So gold, I caught very, very nicely. Almost, everything. 90% of my analysis are right on the dot, right? And I post, everywhere just to show before and after. You see this here. You can, if you go there, how many charts you see before and after. I make the chart, and then, for example, this one, this is a gold, right? USD yen. This is, I said, this is gonna go up. This, pound Aussie, right? It went up nice and clean, big time yesterday, and even today is even higher than this one right now. And you say this one went up here, this one, yeah, that's gold. This one went up. So how? This is the Nasdaq. Look at that. I made this chart. Then the price was here, and then it went. And my target was this, even higher than that. 88%. It's a bad pattern, by the way. It completed, almost about to complete. The bad pattern is almost about to complete. It is like a very close to do this touchdown to 88%. But my target is just below that, 78%, which is right there. So that's why I said touchdown. But I'm waiting for it to go and touch the 88%, and then probably gonna drop. Right. So this is how it is. Gold, you can see that this is, like I said, this is a chart. This is gonna drop here for wave 4, and it did. Right. This is, I didn't show you earlier, but right there's a chart here. So all of these, step by step. So look at this. This is a chart, and this is what happened exactly. I said this, and it's gonna drop and then go up, and then it's doing exactly the same thing, right? Anyway, so yeah, I finished a couple of these one-on-ones. So I have room for few, not many, but few, right? So if you're interested in learning and becoming master of this business, then go and sign up. And I hope that you can catch trade like this. Very easy. If you learn. That's it. That's all there is. All right. So this is it for now. And don't forget to sign up, subscribe my uh, YouTube channel so you can get my videos on time. All right. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later.